see this thing dirty, I don't even want to drive it. I love Motordyne so much. It sounds amazing. It doesn't sound like every other exhaust, like on a VQ. I like the dual look too. You looking like a snack. Ooh. When people look at carbon and they have to touch it to see if they can feel the weave. Just met up with the homie Ramon. Looks so clean with the RPF ones. He's the only other San Marino blue out here that's like actually modded. And people always get us confused. So these guys are faster than me, but you know, still race, have some fun. No, dude. We're gonna burn out. Are you ready? I can smell all that corn. That shit smells bomb. I can't wait to have it. We both missed second. Oh, that was hilarious. Damn, those first gear pulls suck. It's too harsh on these trans or something. That shit's sitting like a Supra.
Do the video like that,
Damn, this shit's clean as fuck though.
You know it, man. It's been a while. That's for sure.
Damn, that shit looks brand new.
I saw when the homie from AMG had your shit detailed, he did a fucking good job. I seen the pics and shit. Yeah, I seen that shit.
It's still clean.
That shit's still shining.
And it rained out there too, bro.
Oh, for real?
No way. And it got wet?
It got for y'all boys.
Valet mode.
So I restrict y'all all day. I'm a valet mode car and put y'all on the 2,000 RPM restriction.
Now that I know, oh, but you have your phone with you too.
2 launch control flat foot shifting. Launch control flat foot shifting.
So you put that shit in valet mode?
That's 1, that's 91, and I think 2, 3 is gonna set me up for. That's where they're gonna set it up for the E85.
Damn.
So if you come valet this shit and you put valet mode, it's only one RPM or what?
1 RPM?
Yeah.
That shit's gonna stall.
That's cruising.
Oh my god.
What you think?
Dude, that shit sounds amazing.
That's all I'm going for, bro. Just spooling. See how it's restricted?
Oh, it's restricted?
Yeah. It's restricted on the thing, on the what you call this? On the RPMs.
I see that, like 4,000 or 45.
Because it's in tuning phase.
Oh, so you can't go over that?
If I go over that, it won't let me go over it.
Oh, okay.
It stops me at that.
So you, damn.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. It's like pretty much your red line right now. That shit sounds so sick though, let me hear it. God.
Shit's all good.
I just want to enjoy it. I'll just film with the GoPro. Like, I don't even want to film. I just want to enjoy all those noises. That fucking blow-off valve sounds so good. Which one is it again? Turbo Smart?
Yeah.
Shit.
Turbo Smart. You don't know how bad, I just want to rip it up, you know?
Oh my god. Holy shit. And then with this wall right here, it bounces off. So it sounds so good. I hope my car sounds like this.
Stage 3 clutch.
Stage
6
3?
puck, yeah.
I had to get stage 4 6-puck. Just so it can hold
That's what
like
I
my
got.
torque.
Oh, stage 4 6 puck?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Cause
Oh yeah, because
it holds
pushing way more than me.
it holds 540 on torque. Mine might be pushing like
way more than me.
might be pushing like 450 torque around there.